Welcome to Marva Sailing, Episode 4, Heading Out. Thank you for following this stowaway dreamer on our sailboat sanctuary.
Your position right now, your head's down.
Tell me when.
And just hold it back a little bit. Pull it back. Get that boom over here. Alright, so now we're a little bit on the bow. So what we're going to do is we're going to let the main out a little bit. So we take some out. In this picture, you can.
Get it. I don't get it.
Why?
I'm going to buy two new sails and then I'm going to sail the boat. I just. Gorgeous day. Gorgeous day. Just a few waves.
See it? What's it doing? It's flipping off. It's in the green one. Is it back?
5.2.
Is it going back? Now, see that, you know what that means, Kev? The sail's in too tight. Watch this. Watch this. Now what's going on?
That was only 25 degrees. It sure felt like 50, but
Well,
you're going to go for it again.
man, look at that. That is healing. Look at that. That is seriously healing. That's cool. Interesting, we're starting to see some much bigger waves. At basically 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Rocking a little bit. You can see the bow moving back and forth as we're heading towards Windmill Point, and then we'll be cutting back towards Stingray Point. All right, guys, we got our wool sweaters on now. This ain't New England. Where's Virginia? Doing pretty good here. Beautiful day, we're heeling. You can see us heeling. Look at that. Good. Yeah, we're heeling pretty good, about 6 knots. Getting a little chilly out here. We got a little bit of winter clothes on now. We're just about to hit the danger zone, which is basically the maritime traveling area for all of the tackers, which you'll see. So we're gonna take a right in a moment and sail back, but it's been beautiful. We are way out here in the Chesapeake finally. Looking good. Can't even see the bridge behind us barely. Wow, we are seriously heeling now. Look at all the boats. We don't see them, but they're out there. Not quite close hauled, which will be about 30. 90 is a beam reach. A slew of boats around us, but we got clear sailing straight ahead. Going 50 degrees. Northeast. It's the true wind. It's us, next targets, latitude, longitude. 5.7 knots there, you'll see. Our speedometer is not working, which is pretty frustrating. Depth is 32 feet. There's a regatta. Maybe you can pass it on over there, show the regatta over there. It's beautiful. Wish we had a better camera to see it, but they had their spinnakers out, and now they're probably turning the corner. There's a lighthouse in front of us that you may or may not be able to see. Looking good. We're having a beautiful day. Who would have thought? So, fellow sailors, we've been following them all day long. Tacking this way, tacking that way. Pretty cool. How fast are we going now?
Turned off. 5.6.
Oh, that's cool. All right, just taking a few little images of this nice slow cruising. Way to go, Scott, at the helm for the moment. We're all taking turns, and water's looking beautiful. Bay's looking beautiful. It's a nice, quiet 5-knot sail. Up and back, up and back. We'll get past this headland. See where it takes us. Good?
That's good. Much better.
Still going. All right, we just hit 8 knots, 7.58 knots. Woo! We got Jet Ray. Thanks for the leadership.
8-1, 8-3.
8-1, 8-3. New sail's looking beautiful too.
That's a brand new sail. Full bat and man.
Thank you for watching episode 4, Heading Out at marvasailing.com. Feel free to subscribe or comment or hit the like button. You know the drill. The Stowaway Dreamer saying over and out. Till next time.